Hi, welcome to my Firefox tutorial. Last time we learned how to create keyword searches and just regular keywords to open websites through the address bar. This time we're going to combine those two ideas so that regardless of whether you're trying to get to the Google homepage or do a Google search, that you can just use one keyword to go to both of them. So for starters, I'm just going to put in G, and I'll put in rowboats. And with that, it comes up to the search results for rowboats. And so I'm going to go back to the address bar and just put in G, and it's going to bring me to the Google homepage. Now, Google may have fixed this problem. If it didn't, your search result should come up to %s. But regardless of that, there are other websites out there that have not fixed this problem. So we're going to use YouTube as an example of what you're going to need to do in order to address this. Okay, so if you scroll down to the description section on the BlipTV page, you'll see all this stuff down at the bottom that says JavaScript, if %s, and so forth. You may want to pause the video for a second and open up a text editor, and you're just going to copy and paste everything, including what it says JavaScript, down through where the last semicolon is, and you're going to insert that into the text editor. Once you've done that, you want to make sure that between that first semicolon and the word else that there's space, one space, and everything else should just be copied into the same line in your notepad. Then you can hit Control A, which will select everything in the notepad. Then go under Edit and hit Copy. Now we're going to go back to the browser. And what I want to do first is type in www.youtube.com and hit Enter. That's going to take you to the YouTube homepage. Under the search bar, I'm going to right click and select Add a keyword for this search. I'll call it YouTube search. The keyword will be Y. I'll toggle open the option to select the folder where I want the keyword to be saved, and I'll save it in the keywords folder. Then I'll go find the keywords folder on the bookmarks toolbar, because that's where I put it, and under YouTube search I will right click on that one. I'll go down and click Properties, and I want to go to the line that says Location. I want to make sure that everything is highlighted, and I'm going to right click and hit Paste, and that should paste the JavaScript into the line. So I scroll back over and see that that was okay. So I'll hit OK, and I'm going to switch tabs really quick here. Go back to the address bar. I'm going to put in Y. I'll type in St. Louis Shag and hit Enter. And that came up okay. I'll go back to the address bar again and just hit Y. And that should take me Yes, it should take me to the YouTube homepage, which it did. Okay, so before we go, I need to try to briefly explain what all this JavaScript stuff means. The first thing that you need to know is the characters %s represent the search term. So when you leave it blank in a normal search keyword, it searches for %s. But if you have a search term, %s is replaced by that search term, and therefore the search engine knows what to search for. So what this basically says here is if it's %s, then go to the location youtube.com or whatever website you've put there. If it's not %s, go to the search query. Basically, you can substitute any website in between the http //www.youtube.com / and you could substitute any search string for the search query section of the JavaScript. By doing this, you can convert your Google search keyword or any other search keyword. I want to thank everybody for watching this tutorial, and I hope that they've learned a lot from it, and we'll have more tutorials coming soon.